relationship between convolution and correlation. What is the relation? Suppose Rxx tau is the correlation between two signals x of t of x of t. Okay. Then what is the convolution? What is the relation with convolution? This relation is x of t hysteric x of t minus. This is the relation. This symbol, this star symbol is for convolution. Okay. And this star symbol is for correlation. So you can see the difference here. Okay, that we have to reverse the signal, one signal, and then we have to find a convolution to get the correlation of the signal. Okay, this is very important formula. So another property is you should know about the energy spectral density or power spectral density. Okay, what is called energy spectral density, what is called power spectral density, that's you should know. But let me give the first the relation between this correlation and with the energy spectral density or power spectral density. So I'll explain about energy spectral density later. Let me give the one property that you should remember, that Fourier transform of autocorrelation function, okay, gives ESD. ESD means energy. I will explain this term. What is this term? Energy spectral density. Okay, or it gives power spectral density. Okay, if the signal or if this SAF is finding for the energy signal, then will give the if you take the Fourier transform of that signal, then that's give the energy spectral density. Or if the XT is power signal, then autocorrelation, Fourier transform of autocorrelation will give the power spectral density. Okay. So suppose Fourier transform of suppose this ESD. ESD means energy spectral density is represented by this S, and this capital X. Here we are writing capital X, here small x. Okay, capital X is written in case of ESD, okay, or PSD. This power spectral density. So these are capital, you write like this for you remember capital letter. So S of capital X omega is nothing but minus infinity to infinity Rxx tau. Okay, if you take the Fourier transform of autocorrelation function means Rxx tau. Fourier transform formula is minus j omega tau. Okay, this is the formula for Fourier transform. The Fourier transform of autocorrelation function gives the ESD. Okay, or in reverse, you can say that Rxx tau is the inverse Fourier transform of, and inverse Fourier transform formula is 1/2 pi minus infinity to infinity capital XX S capital XX y e to the power j omega tau d tau. Okay, so this formulas you should know. So these 5 properties I have given in case of autocorrelation. Okay, all the properties are important. You should know what is the definition of autocorrelation. You should know these properties so that you can solve the problem very easily. Okay. So what is energy spectral density? I will explain in the coming classes. So is there any doubt till now? So write the definition for cross correlation. Okay. Come to the cross correlation function. The symbol are different. As I written here, x of t or tau is for autocorrelation for same signal xx. Okay, sometimes it is written r11 tau. Okay, r11 tau of the autocorrelation of x1 of t and x1 of t. Okay, if similar difference, if it is written x1 of t and x2 of t, and this is give the cross correlation, then we have to write 1 to tau. Okay, if the signal is given in xt and yt term, then you can write it is as xy tau. Okay, it depends on the representation. Okay, but concept are same. The representation is different for different textbook. Okay, but you should know basic concept. So what is cross correlation? It is find the similarity between two different signals. That is the definition. Autocorrelation find the similarity between two same signal itself, but cross correlation find the correlation for or similarity between two different signals. Okay, you can write the definition like this. Cross correlation is the measure of similarity between a signal and time delayed version of other signal. Okay, this is the definition. It is find that similar between two different signal also you can write. Okay, no problem that whether you have to write time delayed version or not, but concept is it is find the similarity between two different signal. You can write like this also. So what is the formula? It is rxy tau is minus infinity to the infinity x of t, and another signal, if another signal is given in y, then it is y t minus tau dt. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so one thing you should remember that cross correlation of x of y tau is not equal to cross correlation of x of r of y x tau. Okay, that's you should remember. Class here, take the attendance at the end of this class. So there are a few property of this autocorrelation also there. Properties of CCF. CCF means cross correlation function. This cross correlation function also a even signal, means Rxy tau equal to Ryx, you can write Yx minus tau. Second property is, if xt and yt are orthogonal, then Rxy 0 equal to 0. Okay. At tau equal to 0 values, the output should be 0. Okay. For Ryx 0 should be 0. Similarly, relation between convolution and correlation. Convolution and cross correlation function. Okay. What is the relation? It's similar to the previous formula, Rxy tau. If cross correlation is x of t star y of t, it's given as x of t star y of minus t. Okay, the minus symbol is come. This static is for convolution, this star for correlation. Okay. So fourth property is we know that if Rxy tau equal to xt star y of minus t, then you know that if you do the Fourier transform of Rx tau, then it is nothing but this is the convolution. Okay, convolution we can write like this. This is the convolution symbol. The convolution in time domain and it's multiplied in frequency domain, means x of omega into y of omega. This formulas you should remember, or you can write it is x of omega y omega star. Okay, you can write star if y signal is a real signal. Okay, if yt signal is a real signal. So these are all from this theory part of correlation and convolution. I have given the definition. I have given the some properties of autocorrelation and cross correlation. Okay, and in next class we'll solve some problem based on this concept. This you just try to understand those things and revise.